to another episode of Farm Fresh Bites. My name is Maya and I'm the community chef here at Red Hook Farms. And today in our episode, we're going to be cooking with cabbage and tomatoes from the farm, making a stewed cabbage that's really good. Doesn't look pretty, but it does taste yummy. So keep that in mind. Very like tangy, savory late summer, early fall flavors coming together with the hearty cabbage and the summery tomatoes. So that's what we're making today. Stay tuned for this week's code word that you can use at farm stand to get yourself some health bucks.
First things first, before you get started, make sure you wash all of your ingredients and wash your hands. Next, you're going to chop your cabbage in half and then chop it into quarters, and take that quarter and chop it into thin slices that are about 1/4 inch thick. Next, you're going to chop your onion in half, peel off the skin, and cut that into some slices as well. Next, you're going to chop all your tomatoes up into quarters. They can be kind of chunky, you don't have to be perfect, just chopped up so that they'll cook. Over medium heat, you're going to heat some oil, get your onions in there, season them with some salt and a little bit of pepper, garlic powder, stir them up, get them cooking. And you just want to cook them until they start to get tender and soft. Once they start to get soft, you can add in your cabbage, stir that up, toss it, try to get the cabbage on the bottom over the heat. And then when the cabbage is going, after maybe like 5 minutes or so, you're going to add in your tomatoes. And once you add your tomatoes, you're just going to let them, put a lid on it and let them cook for a little while. Today's featured vegetable, tomatoes, are a great source of vitamin C and lycopene, and cabbage is a great source of fiber and vitamin K, so you'll be getting all those nutrients if you make this meal. Also, if you didn't know, you can use health bucks at the farm stand, and health bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And if you use this week's code word, Sassy Solanums, you can get yourself some health bucks to use at farm stand. When you remove the lid, after about 10-20 minutes, your cabbage should be nice and soft and tender. You can serve it up in a bowl